Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Abhilasha here. So if you're new here, I'm Abhilasha and I bring to you easy breezy makeup and hair tutorials. Today I have something very easy, very quick that you can do at home for dry hair. I haven't cut my hair in 4 years. It's a personal choice and I have dry hair, but this beautiful mask, guys, trust me, the kitchen that we have has so many amazing ingredients, you would be surprised. So today I have some basic ingredients from our kitchen and I have gone ahead and done a mask which makes my hair look not frizzy and not dry. So without much more delay, let's go ahead and begin this hair mask. The first ingredient being the cold pressed almond oil, which is a very beautiful alternative to a lot of hair oils nowadays. The second being the fenugreek seeds. This is found in a lot of Indian and South Asian kitchens. Very good for hair growth. Trust me guys, very, very good. The next is the most favorite of a lot of people is the full fat yogurt, which is a very beautiful scalp treatment. And here is the clarified butter. Yes guys, Ghee. Almond oil not only reduces breakage of the hair but also makes the root strong. The yogurt of course smoothens the hair and also takes care of dry, itchy scalp and dandruff. This also takes care of any bacteria form that is on the scalp, especially if it's very, very extremely itchy. This is a magic potion found in any Indian and South Asian kitchens. It is excellent for body and hair. It is excellent for health. It also creates a shine coat on top of the hair and builds it from within and makes it stronger. These are fenugreek seeds and they are found in a lot of South Asian Indian kitchens. Again, according to Ayurveda, if this applied on the roots promotes hair growth, and I'm going to show you how to blend this in a hair mask and apply it. So here is almond oil. We're going to take 2 tablespoons almond oil in a bowl. And I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the fenugreek seeds and add it in the almond oil. Because we cannot apply the seed, we are going to boil it, or we're going to heat it actually with the oil, the almond oil, until the seeds turn brown. You see, we are waiting for the bubbles. It's a nice, you'll get a nice fragrance when these seeds start cooking up. What this is doing is it's leaving its actual nutrients in the oil. And of course, you cannot apply the seed on the hair. So we're going to go ahead and strain the oil. You see how brown the seeds have become. This is called tempering. So we've tempered the oil right now and we will throw away the seeds. And this is the beautiful oil after all the fragrance that has been put in it. Now we will take all our ingredients. This is 2 tablespoons, 2 full tablespoons, guys, of the yogurt. Well, who doesn't like it? And mix it up with, this is the fenugreek infused oil. And a huge dollop or tablespoon of the clarified butter or the ghee. Let's go ahead and blend it up and make it into a smooth paste. There it is, beautiful, shiny, amazing hair mask. Who knew our kitchens would have such amazing things, you know? There we have it, in a bowl all ready to go on my hair. I always start from the ends because, well, I haven't cut my hair in 4 years, so that area is the driest. And then I'm going to go ahead and take section by section and start applying it towards the scalp. But my major portion of the mask is going to be on the hair. it gets a little messy, guys. So I would suggest you doing it in the bathroom. Well, I have to do it in front of the camera, so there it is. Now I'm going to start pulling it up, taking it in the scalp. This process takes a little while, but then, this is the main process. Let's chill, have a cup of tea, wait for 45 minutes, let the mask work its magic. Isn't my cup cute? I love this cup. And there we have it. Make sure you double shampoo it because ghee can leave a residue. This is no blow dry. This is just my hair with some leave-in and amazing, not dry at all. I love this hair, guys. I hope you enjoy this. If you do try this mask, please leave a comment. Have a lovely, lovely week, and I will see you next Tuesday again. If you've not already subscribed, please subscribe and share as much as you can. I love Ayurveda, and all these are based on Ayurveda. I hope you enjoy this. This is fantastic for dry hair, frizzy hair, and over time, in a matter of a couple of usages in 2-3 months, it will absolutely smooth out your hair. So until next Tuesday, take care, and I will see you all soon. Bye.